My name is Jeff, and today we're looking at just the specs of the $6 million Bugatti Chiron Supersport. The Supersport is the high-speed focused Chiron featuring a long-tail design with lightened bespoke parts and bodywork details paying tribute to the Bugatti EB110. Now, power comes from a quad-turbocharged 8-liter W16 producing 1,578 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission which sends power to all 4 wheels. Now, those wheels are then wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s, which are X-rayed by the factory to ensure durability at high speeds. Now, the Supersport weighs 4,587 pounds, but accelerates 12% faster than a standard Bugatti Chiron, achieving 0 to 60 in less than 2.5 seconds, some say 2.3. The car reaches 100 miles an hour in just 4.1 seconds, it reaches 200 miles per hour in just 14.8 seconds, and it has a top speed of 273 miles per hour with an even faster 300 mile per hour plus version for sale. Now, in case you were curious and driving this in the streets, the Chiron actually gets 8 miles per gallon in the city and 11 miles per gallon on the highway. Now, if you were worried about gas prices, maybe the $6 million Bugatti Chiron Supersport is not the car for you. And in the back, we can just see the very top of that massive 8-liter W16, which features a very unique layout, obviously quad turbos, massive engine, but an absolute beast of a vehicle. And when you watch these things do pulls, you'll even see it break traction control loose up to 90 miles per hour when doing a straight pull with everything engaged. Such a cool car. So if you guys enjoyed the video and could hit that like button for me, I'd really appreciate it. And consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. And of course, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.